So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change language in your iPhone 15, 15 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. Very simple tutorial guys. You have to go to setting option here. Go inside. In setting option here you have general. Go to general. In general you have here language and region. Go inside. So you see I have English and Spanish. You can hit add language. You can add Catalonian, Chinese, Japanese, whatever you want. So I hit here Catalonian to add. Use Catalonian as a first language. Hit use. So it's changing to Catalonian. So let's go and see how. You see redes sociales. It says here you can change any language to your iPhone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.